This is Robert Schuller, and you're listening to Vital Living. In Southern California, we know how possessions can let us down. We've seen huge, multi-million-dollar homes slide down the hillsides and be dashed into pieces in the valley below. We've watched expensive homes go up in flames during the brush fires that occasionally sweep across our portion of the Golden State. We've seen a single fire or mudslide wipe out a lifetime's worth of possessions once obtained at great expense. Anyone who tries to take refuge behind a pile of things is going to wind up bitterly disappointed. Things are destructible, perishable, fleeting. Our only refuge when possessions vanish is God. Trust Him with everything. For more, go to drschuller.org.